Good morning, Math 7 students. Today we are going to take a look at the notes for 3-5, Unit 3, Lesson 5, the distributive property. This is a very important property because, first off, it's super important that it gets its own lesson. All the rest of the properties that we're going to look at in the next lesson are grouped into one lesson. This you definitely use throughout algebra and algebra 2 and a lot of other things. So very important here. So distribute means if I say that I'm going to distribute a packet of papers or if I'm going to distribute a test to the class. Distribute means to simply, distribute means to pass out or to give to everyone in the group. Right, if I'm talking about, getting pizza for my classes, I'm going to distribute and pass out that pizza to everybody in my class or everybody in my group, but not the people not in my group. I'm not going to get pizza for the entire school because that's a little insane. So when you're talking about distribute, when we say to give or to pass out, we're really meaning you're using the operation multiplication. We're really multiplying each term inside the parentheses or inside the group by what is on the outside of those parentheses. So in this first example here, the number that's on the outside of the parentheses is a 4. So that needs to get passed out or multiplied by each piece inside of the parentheses. There's 2 pieces inside the parentheses here, so I'm going to multiply the 4 by both of those 2 pieces. So 4 times 2x, and I'm going to put those little shroopity shroops, I call them, those like little arrows that show that I'm doing that multiplication. 4 times 2x is just simply 4 times 2, which is 8, and then x. Now, the 4 also needs to be multiplied by the 3, right? If you were in class and I gave everyone a piece of pizza except you would want to be included also because you're in the group. So we also need to multiply that 4 by the 3 to get a plus 12. Now, just take one last check to make sure there's no like terms or anything that I can do to simplify this. 8x and 12 are not like terms, so I cannot simplify those. So my final answer is 8x plus 12.